So welcome to my YouTube channel, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so happy right now and I'm excited to be in your face again. And guess what? I have an amazing, I'm in my house right now and I make money from home. So I'm going to be teaching you today how you can actually make money from the comfort of your house, especially with Forex. So I'm going to be teaching you a very simple strategy that can make you like $20, $30, $50 in a day, in as much as you are following the principle I'm going to be teaching today. I'm simplifying everything. Forget about all this strategy, this strategy indicator. Don't. I'm going to be simplifying everything for you as I am sitting with you right now. Now, guess what? There's a lot of strategies to trade the Forex market, and then Forex happens to be one of the best business you can actually lay your hands on right now, that is going to actually guarantee you a financial freedom by the mercy of the Most High God, because the opportunity in the Forex industry is so big. We have over $6 trillion every day for us to actually trade with, make money from, and this happen every now and then, every day. So you have the opportunity to take your own fair share of the $6 trillion running available every day in the Forex industry. So guys, wait and make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end, where I'm going to be teaching you a very simple strategy that even a secondary school student can actually, okay, in Nigeria we call it a secondary school student, but generally we call them high school. And high school students can naturally grab this knowledge, grab this skill, because I'm going to be simplifying it to the extent that even a primary school student can get this right. And then it is very easy for you to make like $50, $20, $50, $100, depending on the kind of capital you have. Forex, it depends on the kind of capital for you to know the kind of money you're going to make. Okay, people make crazy amount of money here. Even myself, I make a lot of money from this Forex industry. And I'm going to take you to my screen right now. I'm just going to, but before I go into my screen right now, guys, do something for me. It's very important to grow this channel. I need you to subscribe if you are new to this channel, and if you are not new to this channel, make sure you smash the like button and turn on the bell notification if you are also new, so that anytime I'm dropping another amazing videos like this, you can always get notified on time, and make sure you grab the opportunity. So let me go to my screen right now. Let me show you what's going on my screen and what I want to teach you today. Now, welcome back to my screen, guys. So before we dive in so much, everybody can identify the letter W and the letter M. What do I mean by the letter W? Let me quickly draw it out so that you can see. As you are seeing my screen right now, okay, this is W. Ladies and gentlemen, this is W. And now this is M. Everybody should be able to know this, because you don't need to study in Harvard before you can know W, or before you can know M. Now, what I'm going to be teaching us today is what we call chart pattern. The simplest form of chart pattern, I'm simplifying it to you, so that anytime you meet any of these, so anytime you come across this pattern in the market, easily you can take advantage of it and you can make money from it easily. Now, this is W pattern, this is M pattern. How does W pattern, M pattern work with Forex? Just remember, I'm simplifying these things for you. Now, all you need to do, you don't need to know how to draw A, you don't need to how to draw B, all this strategy. In fact, as far as I'm concerned, because I trade fundamentals, I'm a swing trader, I'm a day trader. I have all this knowledge to the glory of God Almighty. So I know a lot of strategies, and I know that I don't know all strategy, but I know a lot of strategies, and I know that all strategies works. So this one that I just want to teach you, if you can stick to it, you can scale it. It is a scalable strategy that I'm teaching you right now, and you can actually use it to make crazy amount of thousands, if possible millions of dollars in the market, just with this pattern I'm going to teach you. Now, what is W pattern? W pattern is when you see market do what? Market form something like W, very clear W. Very, very clear W. You are going to be looking at the market and look for a real life opportunity, a real life example of what I'm going to be teaching you. So how do you trade W pattern? It's very, very simple. Now, anytime you come across any pattern like this in the market, anytime you come across a pattern that looks like W in the market, what do you need to do? You just need to come take your trend line here. You take a trend line and then you draw it over. Sorry, you take a trend line, you come to your trading view right here, you draw it over. What is this? This is called a neckline. A neckline is where the two edges meet or the three edges meet. Sometimes it might be like this, sometimes it might not touch. It might be the two places that will just be touching, and sometimes this middle one can do what? Can touch them like this. So anytime you just have it like this, you saw the market come here, come back up, come here again, form something like a W pattern. All you just need to do, just take a trend line, draw it on over it like this. That will be your neckline. So after getting that neckline, what will you now be waiting for? Anytime you see a W, remember you have to buy. Anytime you see an M, remember you have to do what? You have to sell. So simple. What do you need to do? You will not be waiting for this W pattern to actually break out. You want the candle to do what? You want the candle to break out like this. Once the candle break out, don't do anything. Wait for that candle to come back to retest this neckline. Immediately retest the neckline, then you can now enter a buy position at this level. If it is now currently I'm on GBP JPY, if you see, you just be like, when you see something like this, you waited for this market to break above, come back and retest that neckline. Upon retesting the neckline, you can now take it for a buy. Trust me, you can easily cash pips. This setup can give you can give you 20 pips, 30 pips, 50, depending on the time frame you see it. Okay, if you can use it to swing a trade, if you see it on higher time frame, it can give you as many pips as possible. In fact, as far as I'm concerned, let me quickly go to GBP USD on a monthly time frame and let you guys see what I'm talking about. Okay, no, it's not here. Let me check what other page. Now this is Euro USD. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you will agree with me that this look like a M pattern. This look like a what? An M pattern. If you don't see it very well, let me go to weekly time frame so that you can see this thing that I'm talking about right here. Does it look like an M pattern or not? It looks like an M pattern. Can you see? Now look at this. This is M. Let me draw it so that you can see it clearly. This is 1M. The neckline was strong wheel. Come on. Okay, so now this is the leg. It started from here. This is the neck. Come back here. From this is the second leg. Okay, and then pam. So we'll be waiting for this market to actually break below. Remember, this is a real life example. It doesn't have to be 100%. You can see in this case, this one actually break below. Sometimes it won't break below. It might be here. So, but that's not the point. But in reality, does it look like M? Yes, it looks like letter M. So now look at it. This happens to be the what? The neckline. This thing that I draw here happens to be the neckline. And you can also draw it like this. You can also draw it like this. Where is my trend line? You can take your trend line like this and then do what? Draw it over. For you to confirm that an M pattern is ready for a sell, you need it to break below and retest. How does that happen? Look at my screen right now. You can see that when this market go here, it break below to this level. From here, it break below to this level. Come on. It break below from here to this level and went back to retest the neckline, which is the red line and the red box that I draw here. And then after that, what do you see next? You see it start dropping down. And guess what? You can imagine how many pips that this market has moved with just that MW pattern. M pattern. Without just M pattern, you can imagine how massively it has moved. This market have sold from after the break of this neckline, this is September 2021, this market was selling until it got to this level, which is 2022. It sold for over 1 year. So just imagine, you just keep, this is just leave your money and you keep selling for years. So this is because this is a weekly time frame. The same thing I'm teaching you right now. If you go to 15 minutes time frame or you go to 5 minutes time frame, you will see it. But I like 15 minute time frame the more, because that is that is good for a day trader. Okay. So this is Euro USD right now. So if we keep looking at it one after the other, you will discover that there's a lot of M pattern. Anytime you look at this, have we seen an M pattern right now? This is a 15-minute time frame, ladies and gentlemen. This is an M pattern. I'm going to draw it for you again. Very simple strategy that can make you money every day of your life. This is an M pattern. You can see this is an M pattern. Now look at this. Where is our neckline? Our neckline happens to be here. Where is our trend line? Pick our trend line here and then draw our neckline. Our trend line is going to be here. We can actually adjust our trend line up a little bit here because of the way this market closed. You can see the other one that I was doing an example, this middle of M actually came down, but this one you can see the way it shook up. So we are going to actually respect this middle one, and guess what the market does? It breaks down. After the breakdown, you will not do anything. After the breakdown, you'll be waiting for what? For it to come and do what? Retest the neckline. After the retesting of the neckline, look at how far the market have gone. Look at how far the market have gone. This is an M pattern. If we look at W pattern, we would see it again. This is an M pattern on what? On Euro USD. Now, if we keep looking, we're going to see another one. I'm very sure of that. Anytime you see a market selling up or buying, in one way or the other, a chart pattern must have occurred. The market does not just change trend without giving you a chart pattern or reaction. It will give you a sign that, oh, I want to change my direction from buying to selling. So there's a lot of signs that the market is going to give you. But the one I'm teaching you today, if you stick to that alone, it's only that one that you are looking for in the market, you will be very profitable as a trader. Okay. So let's see if we can see any W pattern example. This look like a W pattern, but not really a very obvious W. We need a very obvious, because when you are looking at in the market, you are going to be looking for a very obvious. You will not force it. If it doesn't look like a clear W pattern to you or clear M pattern to you, you don't take it. Do you understand? Look at this. 1, 2, 3. This is the neckline here. It came back to retest that neckline, but it didn't go well. You can see that the M2 is not very good. So we are just going to ignore. And it doesn't mean that when you are trading this M pattern, you are not going to ever lose money. But on a really days that you're going to be losing money, you always make money. Okay. If you're not seeing any W pattern here, I'll go look for another pair where we can see W pattern. It is a very common and very obvious pattern. Okay. If we're not seeing it any moment from here, let's go to another pair. Let me check GBP USD. If we can see anything like that. Okay. W pattern. Then another thing I need to actually quickly include in this video is that once you see a clear W pattern and you draw your neckline and you see that the market did not break above, come back to retest it before you don't buy. If it is M pattern, you draw your neckline, you saw that M pattern form, you didn't see it break below that neckline and come back to retest it, don't sell. Okay. These are the principles that guide it. Okay, so these are the things I'm going to be showing you in this video. um I'm not seeing so much. I'm not seeing so much of example right now, because this is not a video that I've planned. The idea just came to me like, come on, let me do this video for you guys right now. So currently I'm in a trade, this trade right now, and I enter into this trade because of this M pattern that I saw, or let me call it a double top 1 2, and I draw a neckline here, break it, came back to retest it, and I've entered. Right now it has gone in profit, and now it's still in profit. Okay, look at it right here, it's still a little bit in profit. And guess what, I'm still targeting this market here. And guess what, I call this trade out for my people live on Telegram. I call this trade live for my people on Telegram. Check this out. This is my public channel on Telegram. This is my signal channel on Telegram. Where is my signal channel? You can see I call it for them when this trade was here. I said sell AUDSD now, guys. SL is 15 pips, and they know what you are risking, because I've taught them how to actually manage and calculate their risk. And guess what? We are in profit now, and then the profit is growing. So I also send it to my public channel. So how can you be part of us? If you are interested in becoming part of DAOM Empire mentee or student, it is very, very simple. DAOM Empire have the best and the fair requirement in the whole of Forex industry for you to learn Forex. We make it absolutely, very, very easy for people to learn Forex. Say how? Why? Because it's absolutely free. We are not going to charge you anything, but you're going to follow some instructions. How do you join us in the mentorship channel and the signal channel for free? And guess what, DAOM Empire is giving a lifetime offer. I am the founder and the brain behind DAOM Empire, CEO of DAOM Empire. What do DAOM Empire do? We teach you how to learn Forex, and at the same time we give you signals that will keep you to keep growing till you master that knowledge yourself and be able to stand on your own and be able to do what, and be able to start taking trade without the help of anybody's signals or without anybody's approval. Okay, so how do you achieve that? It's very, very simple. We have two requirements for you to join us in DAOM Empire for free: to have a lifetime offer as a mentee, and to also have a lifetime signals. Now the first requirement is that you either use a recommended broker, because there's no how you are going to trade without using a broker. Are you with me? There's no how you are going to trade without using a broker. So we have do our research. Our recommended broker is XM. XM is a multi-regulated broker, and I have a personal connection with the management, so I can intercede for my people. Okay, should there be any issue. And I've been using this broker, and I've been withdrawing I can't count how many times I've had countless of withdrawals, and their withdrawals are fast. I'm not the only one that can testify to this. I can also show you on my Telegram right now. One of my new mentee yesterday also shared with me that she withdraw because she just joined our Telegram our mentorship session. She just joined us, and I asked her, look at the chart. I asked her, make sure you are, because she sent me some profit on the trade I sent to them yesterday. She said she's making profit. I said, make sure you are withdrawing your profit too. She said, I just did today. She beautiful. She said, thanks. Share with me now, so I can use it to motivate others. Of course, she said, I just did 6k withdrawal. That's in naira. I just did 6k withdrawal, testing it today. Oh, should I still share? I say yes, to share. She doesn't want to share because she's feeling like 6,000 naira is very, very small. But no, that's not the point. The point is that, have you seen how the withdrawal look like? And she said it with me that, oh, credit, can you see how long does your withdrawal take? He said, I just say let me test the withdrawal. How long? He said it didn't take up to 5 minutes. I got alert. So they have the best of the best service as an XM. So if you want to trade, there's no, you're not going to use a broker. If you want to join DAOM Empire mentorship channel for a lifetime offer, you use our recommended broker. I'm going to provide you a link. You can DM me on Telegram or check this description box below. You will see a link on how you can actually register with your XM with our link. After you register with our recommended link, you're going to be generated an account ID, like your account number. Share that account number with me on Telegram. I'm going to verify that you are in my team. once I confirm that, I'll give you a go ahead to go and fund. The minimum you can fund is $100 to have access to DAOM Empire mentorship. Of course, in this broker you can fund as low as $10. If you don't even have up to $100 to have access to our mentorship, you can actually just use the link to register right now. Fund $10, fund $20, fund any amount you have, and then use this strategy I just taught you right now. And if you have more than that, if you have up to $100, come on, use 2 stones to kill 1 bird. You have enough money, you have a reasonable money to start your forex, and at the same time you are going to be given a mentorship lifetime offer and a signal lifetime offer. And at the same time, the second requirement for you to join us in the mentorship channel right now and the signal channel for a lifetime offer is to use our recommended prop firm. Right now as I'm doing this video, I am pushing Consummate Prop Firm because Consummate is designed for traders to pass. If I have any other genuine prop firm today, I'm still going to propagate, because if you go to my videos on my YouTube, you see that I usually do a detailed review, an in-depth review on prop firms and why a prop firm is, is more preferred than the other prop firm. Okay, so that is why I chose Consummate, because Consummate still has the best offer in all of these prop firm that I've ever seen, and they are flexible. They design it and easy for what it is easy for a trader to pass their prop firm, and it is also easy for them to make profit, and their profit split is very, very good, and they just started and they are growing massively. Another prop firm that I'm waiting for it to land right now is Willis Capital. These are prop firm that are co-founded by my bosses. Consummate is co-founded by Jeffrey Benson and Abby Forex. Willis Capital is going to be launching soon by Dr. Willis. These are my bosses that I learned from while I was growing too in the industry. So once they launch it, I'm going to also do an in-depth review on that Willis Capital, if it is worth it, which I believe is going to worth it, but let's not say until we see it. So if it is worth it, it's going to also be another criteria to join us in the mentorship and the signal channel for a lifetime offer. So that's all I have for you today, guys. Let me go back to my screen again. Let me see if I can still spot another M pattern or W pattern for us. Okay, this is still playing in profit. Just come down for us. We are forever growing in profit. Now let's look at NAS 100. Okay, I need a clear W pattern. Ladies and gentlemen, I just discovered one. A clear W pattern. Does this not look like a clear W pattern? Ladies and gentlemen, this is a clear W pattern. Look at it from here. This is a clear W pattern, ladies and gentlemen. So where's the neckline of this W pattern right now? We're going to put our neckline here, because you can see this our neckline here. The reason why we are going to put our neckline here is because the middle line got here. This is the middle line. So after the breakout, you can see that the market came back. The market came back to retest that neckline. Upon that retesting of the neckline, look at how massively this market has grown in profit. It came back again. If you extend this thing to the future, it came back again to give us another entry opportunity. Look at how far it has been growing in profit. This is simple W pattern and M pattern. I've shown you an example, a real life example of W pattern. I've shown you a real life example of M pattern. Start trading yourself. Get into it today. Be in your house just like me, zipping your fruit juice, and then start taking trade on TradingView, and use my recommended broker or use my recommended prop firm and make money for yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to use my recommended prop firm, the minimum account you can buy is 15,000 or 25,000 or above. It is very, very simple. You buy either 15,000 Express Light Consummate, or you buy 25,000 account of of evaluation of Consummate, and then guess what? You have access to what? You have access to my mentorship and my signal for a lifetime offer. I'm not going to be giving you 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. No, I'm going to be coaching you to make sure that you also know this knowledge and you are very, very good at it. Okay, fast forward, let me just show you something that might be very, very useful for you. Let me go to my channel right now on YouTube and show you my videos. Let me show you. No, I'm not coming here. Let me come here. My YouTube channel. Okay, videos. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure you watch these videos. Okay, let me just come home. Make sure you watch this video, this particular video, if you want to know what a prop firm is. I did a detailed explanation on this video, exposed. Know this before buying Consummate Prop Firm. Honest review, which is indeed an honest review. This is the thumbnail here. Make sure you watch this video if you don't know much or you want to know much about Consummate Prop Firm. So aside from that, guys, let me quickly show you other testimonies. If you go to my Instagram, you will see a lot of testimonies of my students. How many of them can I show you? They are very much. If you come to my my public channel here, you will see many testimonies of my students. Some I am the one that provide them with the signals. Some they are the one that did what? They went into the market to look for opportunity themselves based on what I've taught them. To the glory of God Almighty, that I'm touching so much. I'm making a lot of impact in the lives of Nigerians. You can see so many profits right now. See many profits right now. Okay, I remember I called this trade for my people, and then see how massive they make profit. You can see profit. So if you come to my Instagram right here, and then you come to my page, if you come to my page, you're going to see countless, when I say countless of testimony. You can see student results. I make sure I have them here. You can see student result, my funded student, my student result, all of them. Just keep scrolling one after the other. You see real life results from my students. You see. So you just keep scrolling and see what we have been able to do for our people. You can see people making real life money. See this lady, she's making about $132 in 3 places. That's like 130, that's 260, that's 390, almost $400. So in just one trade that I call for them, you can see. So my people are doing so well, and I give glory to God Almighty. Even myself, I'm doing very well too. So if you want to join us in the mentorship, I've told you the requirement. DM me on Telegram at Diamond Reader. It's going to be in the description box, and I'll send you the requirement. $100 to fund our recommended broker. It is your money. I'm not going to ever collect $1 from you to join us. And guess what? You can have a mentorship access from me for a lifetime offer. Remember, lifetime offer. It doesn't expire in 1 month. It doesn't expire in 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. You are with me until you cannot be like, okay, now I am good. I am now an independent trader. I can go into the market without the help of Chairman Diamond Reader for me to be able to take trade. By then, you cannot say that, oh, boss, I am free to go. I want to leave your mentorship. But until then, keep learning keep learning in our mentorship, keep taking signals. I make sure I give signals as soon as I see opportunity. When we see a swing opportunity, we swing the trade. When we see a day trade opportunity, we day trade. When we see a news, fundamental news, NFP and every other news, we take it. So what are you looking for? All you are looking for is in DAOM Empire. Make sure you join us. We'll be happy to have you. Thank you. God bless you. So that's all I think I have for you for now. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so happy that you went through that video from the beginning to this level. That shows you are very interested. Okay, let me zip. Join me in zipping my juice. And guess what? You can be in your own house too. I just set a little place in my house, put a table and then a chair, and I use it as an office. Everybody goes to their work and they leave me at home. And at the end of the day, I still make I still make crazy amount of money every day. I make a crazy amount of money. Sometimes when I just look at my earnings, I just give glory to God Almighty. Okay, so you can also be there too. Okay, by simply following this instruction I've given you. If you want more of this kind of video, subscribe, like, comment. Make sure you come to my DM, fulfill the requirement to join my mentorship session, And guess what? I'll be very, very happy to have you in the mentorship session, and I'll be very, very happy to see you grow in 6 months, 1 year, to become a real-time profitable trader in the market. Until then, guys, keep winning, and always remember that Chairman Diamond Arido does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.